So if you're a coffee drinker, you enjoy a good coffee, grinding your own beans, you need to clean your grinder. So that's what we're going to do today. So I just have a piece of paper because you're going to be cleaning out your grounds and cleaning things. So I should have got the brush. I used this one. This came with the machine, I think, and this one came with the grinder, or vice versa. Not sure. So you're going to turn this all the way to the large. You know, there's a small grind, large grind. Turn this all the way, and it will pop out. Take this out. Take this out. There's a ring here. Right, there's a ring. The beveled part, there's a little step that goes down, so remember that. Then you can take it apart, right? Okay, so it's reverse thread. All right, remember that, very important. There's a red, if you could see this. There's a red mark here and a red mark on the aluminum on the machine. So you take this out first. You see that? That's just all the grooves and everything here is all packed. So remember that the red lines up with the red. Then you can should be able to take this out if it's not jammed in there with coffee. Make sure this is unplugged, of course. May need some help from pliers or needle nose pliers. You don't want to damage it, but there. All right, it's got two holes right here. And then this is you see how bad that is? Also, there is also a washer. Oh man, if your fingers are so big, is what like my son says, sausage fingers, you may have a problem. So then you got this piece. Remember, the nubs always go up. Now we're ready to just clean. Let me see here. Then you have this cloth thing. You may not even notice it's there because it's going to turn the same color as the coffee. And then you just take your brushes. Right here is where it comes out of the chute. Take your brush and clean it. You will benefit by having different brushes. If you have some shop hair, I would advise to do that. But if you don't, then I'm just going to use a can of hair that I have for the computer this time. You can clean. I'll put this back. There's no way of cleaning that. So put that back. Now I can clean these parts. there's a hole ring on this part here with the red mark. Don't damage that. You gotta try and clean those grooves that cut. They're all angled a certain way. You may not even see the coffee in those grooves. The hole ring, make sure it's not damaged. Right, put that aside. This here. Careful with these parts, they're pretty fragile. The more that the wet your bean is, obviously, the more often you're going to have to clean it. Probably every maybe 4 or 5 months. Every month if you're using it a lot and the beans is really wet. So there. Now, so I put in that little felt thing. You put this in. And it's oval shaped, so it only will fit in one way, but make sure the nubs are up. Then you have the two here, the two holes will fit on those nubs, like that. A little tiny washer that goes on top, right here. So now there's also two holes on the plastic part, so that will line up. Right there. Remember, this is reverse thread. Line up your mark. Then you put on your rubber seal. So now that's it. This mark will come, where is it? Yep, that's it. It goes on, and I forget where she had it. That's how easy it is to do. So thank you for watching. I know it's not, you know, a big process, but it really is nice to have a video that you can watch to put the things back the way they should. Now you know. Thanks, guys.